What's your view about value investing versus momentum investing then?
Again, I don't really have a strong opinion on it. I think people have got to find what works for them. For some people, value investing, and again, these are the real long-term macro thinkers. For them, that sort of approach works. So I'd say, how you've learnt your trading, who your mentors were, the books that have influenced you, the styles that have influenced you, how your personality is. You've got to have an edge. Everyone has to have an edge. And if macro investing works for them, and if momentum investing works for them, I say go with it, because that's what you're going to be good at. Use your strengths, leverage your strengths. I don't have a favoured approach over it. I probably wouldn't do value investing because it's not something that I'd be particularly good at. It's not where my skills lie. It's not where my knowledge base lies. I'd be much more to be a momentum investor.
Do you think either of those, either momentum or trend, beat value investing?
No. If anything, if you look at the success rate of the most successful investors in the world, they tend to be value investors. They tend to be very rational, very logical, less guided by emotion. I personally couldn't do that. But these guys are able to buy when everyone else is running for the hills and selling when everyone else is looking to get in on the trade. So obviously Warren Buffett's the greatest example of that. But again, it wouldn't work for me, that approach.
How much is enough for you? When in a winning position, how long will you go before taking profits, and what are the main signals for your exit?
Right, okay. So I set myself a profit target at entry. When I enter in, I have a profit target. I might have a staged profit target. I might have a trailing stop loss. It could be any number of methods. And also I'll assess the market as it's going along. That's probably my least favourite method, because I can get out either too early or too late quite often. So if I have a structure, set a target, get in, get out, think about it again. I can always get in again if the market looks like it's going to go further. So that's not a problem for me. In fact, that last point is a point that a lot of people forget. And again, it's now sort of working with lots of people as a coach, a lot of people almost seem to forget that you can get back in the market, even at a worse level, after you've got out. If you really do feel there's going to be a much bigger move, if something's changed. And that's something which I learned to do in my later years. And it's almost, in the earlier years, it was almost I couldn't do that because it was sort of an admission of being wrong. And I would say, again, something I meet with the more humble and traders that have a lot of humility, they're able to get back in quite easily. But for a lot of people, once they've got out of the market, they think, I can't go back in because I've given away profit. But actually, if the market's going higher, buy it again.
Good point.